in Kadaria Higher Secondary School. As I had told, we have been listening from this school, Kadaria School, Vanambadi, for the past 2 weeks, and this is the third week. And indeed, we have benefited much from the speakers. So we are thankful to the management and the persons who have arranged these persons. Now let us listen to FATHIMA SADAF. Yes. And she is going to talk on a very important and interesting topic, visualization of topics. We used to write on the board, isn't it? And how to make the student visualize those topics, making learning visual and memorable. Yes, FATHIMA SADAF, ma'am. You can talk. You can share, you are the co-host now. You are there, ma'am?
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. You are sharing your PowerPoint?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If you have problem in sharing, you can talk with the screen in before you.
Just a minute, sir. I will share. Is my screen visible?
Not visible, ma'am.
Now?
Yes, no, coming. Now you can start.
Yes. Good morning to everyone.
Morning.
I am Fatima Sadaf, English teacher at Kadaria Higher Secondary School. It's my pleasure to speak on a very interesting topic, making learning visual and memorable. Why visual learning matters? Can anybody tell?
More interesting.
Yes. Research shows that most learners are visual. Students understand better when they see. Students remember more when they see. For teachers, this means if we use pictures, diagrams, or visual tools, learning it's more memorable for them. Students easily understand what they see. So visual learning is very, very important. Can anyone tell me what is this picture?
Story of thirsty crow.
Thirsty crow story.
Thirsty crow.
Yes, through this picture, a student will easily understand. We can more involved students when they learn usually abstract ideas. There are so many tools for teachings like pictures and diagrams, charts and graphs, mind map and concept, video and animations. Students are mostly nowadays students are watching animations. So uh, we will give them to do like that or visually they understand more. Infographics and poster. For English grammars, we can go with infographics and posters like this. This is the parts of speech. They will understand easily, like what is noun, pronoun, verb. Can everyone see this?
Yes.
Yes.
These are the tools for teaching. Uh, Canva, then PPT. Canva is used for poster making, infographics, PPT. Canva have a lots of templates. Whatever we want, we can create in Canva. PPT is mostly used for presentation, structured teaching. This is the Kahoot for the gamification. We can give a student like a quiz. Um, in the holidays. They will learn more and interesting. Hello? Hello?
Yes, continue, ma'am. Your voice not coming. Your voice not clear.
Hello?
Yes, yes. You can talk.
We can create a mind map in English, can summarize a poem. A chart can compare characters in novels. Infographics can be used to explain grammar rules. Even a simple diagram can make student easy to understand. This is the practical classroom steps. When we create a PPT, we don't have to make too much slides or too much colors and text. One slide, one picture or one color we have to use. When we using multiple colors, student get disturbed for those colors. So when we taking visual classes, we have to use icons and pictures more than words. Visual learnings is not just about showing pictures. It's about making students create and interfere. For example, use color coding, red for important point, green for examples, use timelines to explain history or novel plots. Let students themselves make poster or flashcard. When they create, they remember. Yes, Can anyone tell me what is the picture about?
It's about the picture talk.
Traffic.
Yes. Can anyone describe this picture?
The things what are all happening in this picture, we have to describe that one.
Yes, yes. Anyone?
People are. Mhm.
Many vehicles are there, many people are watching, a car is burning, and two people are putting out the fire from there, and many people are just standing and watching that one.
Yeah, very great.
People,
When
some
we
people, other people are busy
Not
with their
obey.
own medical and clinic or hospital is there nearby. One
okay, very
Many
good.
people traveling with their own vehicle like car, scooter. Some are sitting, some are crossing the road.
Okay.
No,
Uh,
no rules and regulations are followed by people in the picture.
Yes,
Yes, very good. So we have to give like this kind of pictures to student to describe. It will build their communication skills, their understanding skills, and focus. The more involved in the class if we do like this.
yes, the concept is very good, ma'am. Everyone will think with their own style.
So do you have any questions? Anyone? So this is the key message of my topic. See, connect, remember. If we want student to truly learn, they must first see it, then connect it with meaning, and then remember. That's the power of visuals in education. When they see, they will understand better. To conclude, making learning visual, it's not just a technique, it is a responsibility. Our goal as a teacher is not only to teach, but to make knowledge stay alive in young minds. When we teach visually, we make learning unforgettable.
Over, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Okay, short and sweet. You have finished this. Anyhow, we have,
It's the time I present, sir.
okay, no problem. But the idea you have given to us is a very good one. So we have to visualize the things make the students visualize the things. And you are given the idea that it can be done by having pictures and diagrams. So pictures and diagrams attracts the students. And
Yes, sir.
charts and graphs also we teachers are using. So then and there charts are there and graphs are there in mathematics. And you are recommending mind mapping.
Yes.
That concept we have to use in the classroom. So a mind map diagram, it can be few one, little details. So, but they will remember the things, students. And you are recommended
True.
videos and animation. That is possible only when we are having smart classes, smart boards in our class. Otherwise, they can be recommended. The students can be recommended the videos and animation to see at home. And you are recommended for infographics and posters. Can you
Yes.
explain a little more about infographics and posters?
Infographics, in Canva, we have infographics. They give the template. Canva can give template. We have to edit. Uh, it's useful for parts of speech, figure out of speech, like that.
Very good. And then PowerPoint presentation, as you have done, and many are using it. We have to use it.
Yes, sir.
But in classroom, mostly it may not be possible always. Sometimes on some occasions it is possible. And
Yes,
you
sir.
are given, yes, and you are given the strategies for making learning memorable. Many things you are telling. Visual storytelling was telling. That you can, that you picture you have put it, isn't? So can
Yes.
you explain more about that one? Your experience in your class and how they have reacted, because this session is mostly to tell what are the good practices in your schools. So can you tell how they have responded in your class and a little more?
I usually
Visual
teach
is
poems from YouTube or editing in Canva, so they will understand better. I teach poems mostly.
and color coding. You have recommended too many colors
Yes,
will
yes, yes, sir. When we
distract
put
their
too many
attention
colors, the student will distract it. We have to use one or two colors.
better. And symbols and icons, can you explain more about it? Symbols and icons in English language, how you will use it?
Which, sir?
Symbols and icons. These are the symbols. Parts of the speech you are using.
Yes, sir.
A little more explanation if you give, teachers will be better. What are those symbols and all? Because you are an English teacher and other
Yes,
English
sir.
teacher. The diagram we explain. Symbol. Yes, parts of speech. Parts of speech.
Yes, sir. As we can see, parts of speech: noun, name of a person, place, things, and ideas. So here is a dog, school, book is a name of this. It's particularly mentioned school, book is a thing, dog is a person. It's mentioned animal,
Sadaf, sorry to
pronoun.
interrupt. They're asking by using the symbol, what are the new technique you can implement in the classroom to identify all those things? They're not asking to explain about noun and pronoun. They're asking by using the symbol, how we can able to understand.
Which symbol, ma'am?
Some symbols you have used for the part of speech, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Go to the part of speech slide.
Okay, ma'am.
The other one. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So here you use certain symbols, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So will you brief it about this?
Yes, ma'am. So we can say, see a person symbol in pronoun. It describes he, she, they. In verb, it's icon of running. Its verb is the action. So the symbol is running, jumping, like that. Adjective is describe a noun. It's indicate a star, happy, blue, like that. Adverb is a word that describe verb and adjective. It is describe the quality of the noun and verb. Preposition, this icon is box. On the box, under the box, behind the box, like that we can describe. Conjunction is a joining words and the but, like that. For this icon we use. Introduction to express our emotion. That's it.
Right, thank you very much. So it is a new thing for many teachers. So the right symbols you have used it. So thank you, Fatima Sadaf ma'am, from Qadiriya School. So we are thankful to Qadiriya School for sharing their classroom experiences, because for that only this program is made. It is not a theoretical one, practical things which you are doing in your class, and it is successful one that can be shared here. So we are thankful to Qadariya Higher Secondary School from Manimbadi and Maulana and Fatima ma'am. So with this, the program comes to an end. Again, tomorrow we will meet at 6:30 with new speakers. With this, the program ends. Thank you.